Hey everyone, back here again with some more booster packs to break up for you. This time, I think I have 20 here. The Harry Potter TCG from the Quidditch Cup. Each pack has 11 cards in them. So, let's dive right into it. So, there's Quidditch, Nimbus 2000. In the stands. Now these cards like to flip-flop. There's a lot of sideways. The majority of them are sideways. And there's some that are regular up and down. So, just a really cool. There's the Quidditch rules card. How to play. So, this is another set that I'm trying to finish up. Devil's Snare. There's Vanish. Cobbing. Cobra Lily. Stream of Flames. Fouled. And Cunning Fox. So let me take a look really quick. Focuses up there. And there's 80 cards in the set. There's rares and then like a reverse foil rare. I know some that like a lot of the character cards, and then they call it like premium portrait, like for McGonagall here. That's a rare, and then there'll be like a full silver card rare. It covers everything. It's really shiny, and it is different than this kind of rare that just has the lightning bolts and stars. So, a good example right on cue. You'll definitely know the difference when you see one. So, it's really cool. Just really reflective and just really stands out, and you know you have something different. Smash, Bloodroot Poison, and Bravado. So, there's Charms, Quidditch Lesson, Snipe's Bias, I don't know if it's Snipe or Snape. Every time I've been reading it, it's been Snipe to me for some reason, but I think it really is Snape. But I haven't finished the series yet, so still working on it. So, that's how I've been reading it in my head when I do read, so. Come on up and focus there. Come on, camera. Play nice. So, there's the last pack of this artwork. Really cool set so far. Not too big, but does have a lot of rares to it, so that makes it difficult to finish, especially with the different reverse rares and the premium portrait rares for all the characters and stuff like that. So, and with like my other sets I'm trying to finish, I can hopefully find a cheap box online somewhere. So, just break it open, and I like doing boxes for sets, even though I do open a lot of packs for them. It's a lot of fun getting right into a box, just diving right in, and having fun. That's what it's all about, just having fun, opening packs, getting cool cards, cards that you like. There we go. That's exactly what I'm talking about, and it's McGonagall. You can tell it's very reflective. You can see me in my camera. So, that is the premium portrait rare. So, those are just really cool. I like them a lot. So, And I think there's one for every character in the set. So, like card 1, there's one, and then it has its reverse. So there's 2 cards for each of the rares. In the care of magical creatures, Quidditch lesson. There's Neville Longbottom. Oh, I thought those were back-to-back doubles, but just really similar artworks. But it's really cool. The artwork's on here. It reminds me of a movie a little bit, but more of like what I would think while reading the book and everything like that. Whoops. So I've been wanting to do a Harry Potter set for a little while. So in the meantime, we got our cool looking scabbers there. It's really, actually, really cool looking. I like it. And there's Marcus Flint. So, as I was saying, I was wanting to do a Harry Potter set for a long time. Haven't know which one to do or anything like that. But then I found the 35-pack boxes at the store, and the Quidditch Cup was in them. I was like, why not? Got a great start to it. And there we go, another hollow. I think I have this one already, but oh well. And there's the Bulger. That is number 1, and I need number 1, which is awesome. I love getting the first card in sets. Just knowing you have a start somewhere. And it's usually a rare, because a lot of times rares are the first in the sets. So I know this is an older Wizard of the Coast, and I know that's how they did for Pokemon for the longest time. And there you go. We got the Hollow Bulger, so we got the 1-in-1 for first spot in my binder. So that's awesome. So I know since Wizards of the Coast, Pokemon's gone away from the hollow, rare, uncommon, common sequencing and just gone by type and everything like that, which I think is really cool, as I do collect a lot of Pokemon still. There's the Golden Snitch, and there we go. We just got the both of them. Awesome, awesome. I like that. On to our last few packs. We got the Nimbus 2000 on the front. I'm kind of stuck. Alright, we've got another McGonagall premium rare. Not too bad. If I can get a double, I'd like to get one of those. So, even though I'd rather have something I don't have. So, oh well. There we have Transfiguration, Potions, Charms Exam, Pep Talk, Sticking Up for Neville, Mopus Potion, there's Bloodroot Potion, Deskin to Pig, Clean Sweep 7, Research, and Ouch. I don't know, I like the packs really a lot because they're really shiny. And a lot of packs aren't too shiny like that, so I think it's really cool. And there's Oliver Wood. There's a practice match, and there's Swarm. Alright, not too many sideways cards in that one, which is good. Alright, few more to go. There we have Charms, Quidditch. There's Fluffy. I need Fluffy. Alright, here are our last 2 packs. Let's take a look really quick. And it's the shine they have. It's really cool. Really nice artwork, I think. So Wizards of the Coast did a good job with the pack art for Quidditch Cup, in my opinion. Just going. Rope bind, pulling up, Quidditch lesson, transfiguration, power play, defense, and Fred and George. Alrighty. And our last pack. We have Potions Lesson, Quidditch. And we have Marcus Flint again. Hufflepuff Match. Devil Snare. Cobra Lily. There's Fouled, Cobbing, Pulling Up, Rope Bind, and Gone. Alrighty. That will do it for the Harry Potter pack opening there. Did get a few things. Got the couple of the McGonagall holographics. Did get the Golden Snitch holo, the Bulger holo. We got a support banner holo. We got an awesome looking Scabbers holo. I love that. And there's the other McGonagall and Start of Term Feast. So I pulled quite a few holos, which is really good. A lot of good rares too. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.